Hi guys! Today we'll be doing a delicious no-bake Oreo pie. Let's get started. To a blender, you're going to add some Oreos and just blend them until crumbly. Pour into a bowl and add your melted butter and mix well. You're going to now take that and pour it into your desired pan and press firmly until it's flat and evened out. Now in a separate bowl, you'll add your cream cheese and sugar, and you want to mix it well until combined. To that, you'll want to add some maple syrup of your choice, melted chocolate, and some vanilla, and mix well. Now go ahead and add your Cool Whip, add some chopped Oreos and fold in using a spatula or a wooden spoon. You're going to now take your mixture and pour onto your Oreo pie base and spread it all out until smooth. Go ahead and pop that into the refrigerator for about an hour. Now you're going to want to decorate it with some whipped cream and chopped Oreo bits. Drizzle some chocolate syrup or melted chocolate over the top, and voila! Your quick and easy no-bake Oreo pie. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes. Thanks for watching.
Yummy.